Hare Krishna. After the war of Lanka and after Raman was killed, Lord Ram was in Ayodhya along with Hanumanji. So at that particular point, Sita, Lakshman, Bharat and Shatrughna, they were thinking that Hanumanji is doing all the services. He's practically there with Lord Ram. And Sita was getting annoyed because she couldn't spend any private time with Lord Ram. So they had an emergency meeting and they listed out all the services and they didn't put Hanumanji's name. For some service there was Sita ji, Lakshman, Bharat, Shatrughna, but Hanumanji's name was not there. So the next day in the morning when Hanumanji comes to meet Lord Ram and he sees that the new Seva chart is put there and his name is not there only. But Hanumanji observed the Seva chart carefully and he found out that there is one service that is not mentioned. And what is that service? When Lord Ram yawns, there should be someone to snap fingers. So Hanumanji said, this service I will do. It is not there in the list. So he found out one service that is not there and he was continuously with Lord Ram again. And Sita was wondering what kind of devotee this is. He found out one service to be with Lord Ram always. So this is the mood of a devotee. He is always eager for service. Hanumanji is showing us, Hanumanji is the best servant. So he is showing us how we should be eager for service. Just like a businessman is eager to gain wealth, a devotee should be eager to gain service. The name Lakshman, what does Lakshman mean? Lakshmano Lakshmi Sampanna. The meaning of Lakshman is one who is filled with Lakshmi or wealth. And if you study the life of Lakshman, you will find that his real wealth was service to Lord Ram. So in our life, we all should develop this quality of Lakshmanji, the quality of Hanumanji, to be eager for service. In the same pages of the Ramayana, you have the story when Ravan and Lord Ram are fighting this war in Lanka. Ravan takes a spear and throws it into the chest of Lakshman. And Lakshman falls unconscious, almost in a dead condition. That time, Shushena, who is the Ayurvedic doctor among the monkeys, comes and diagnoses and tells that there is only one solution. There is a medicinal herb called Sanjeevani Booty in the Himalayas, in the Gandhamadana Parvat. So if someone can get this herb before sunrise tomorrow, then Lakshman can be saved. Who could do this service? But Hanumanji was there. For Hanumanji, nothing was impossible. He could do everything in the service of the Lord. Because when there is eagerness to serve, all opportunities, all paths open and you get newer and newer ideas how to do it. So Hanumanji jumped from Lanka to Himalayas and he found this mountain Gandhamadana Parvat and he was getting this mountain, and in fact before getting this mountain, Hanumanji was thinking where this herb is, and he couldn't find out exactly what this herb was because there are so many plants that look similar. Hanumanji said, let me not take a chance. He picked up the entire mountain and flew back to Lanka. And Lord Ram was so pleased with the seeing Hanumanji's desire to serve. And we also know that when Hanumanji goes to give this message to Sita, Lord Ram had actually told him, just give this message to Sita, give my ring to Sita and come back. But Hanumanji wanted to do extra service also. He burnt Lanka and gave a strong message to Ravan and came back. So Hanumanji is teaching all of us this eagerness to serve. This is the way we advance. Srila Prabhupada explains in the Nectar of Instruction, in one of his books, the preface, the advancement of a person in Krishna consciousness depends on the attitude of the follower. And what does attitude mean? The real attitude is the attitude of a servant. Attitude of being eager to accept service. We find in the life of Srila Prabhupada's favorite and trusted disciple was His Holiness Tamal Krishna Goswami. And Srila Prabhupada trusted him so much. The most difficult services, the most impossible services, Prabhupada would give him. Because Prabhupada knew Tamal Krishna Goswami is so eager for service, he will find some way to do it. So one time, one little Gurukul boy, when Srila Prabhupada was sitting with his disciples, asked Srila Prabhupada, Prabhupada, why do you show mercy only to Tamal Krishna? Prabhupada said, no, my mercy is for everyone. But Tamal Krishna is eager to accept the mercy. What can I do? Just like the sun rays are for everyone. But some people are expert to take advantage of that sun rays. So similarly, God's mercy is there for all of us. And what is God's mercy? God's greatest mercy is the opportunity to serve. So if you are intelligent, like Hanumanji, like Lakshman, like Tamal Krishna Maharaj, we'll be eager to take opportunities for service. And the more we serve, the more we advance and more we please the Lord. Hare Krishna.